Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the Python string interview questions. We have seen about the Python string concept. In this video we are going to see about some of the interview questions related to string functions. Um, if you want to become a Python developer, just go through these all the questions. It may be helpful for your interviews, and those who are looking for to become a Python developer, it may be helpful for your interviews. Just go through all the questions before move on to the interviews. Okay friends, let's move on to the videos. The first question is how to represent an empty string. Okay, this is the question. Simply we known as how to represent an string. We are taking one variable and we are given that value inside the quotes. So it is the way of given the string. But in this question they asked how to represent an empty string. If you want to display an empty string, how to display it? Okay, let's see how to display an empty string. I am taking the string 1, str1 variable as double quotes. This is the way used to display an empty string. Okay, I am going to display st1. Let's see. The output is only the empty string. Simply the quotes has come. That means on empty string. Okay, this is the way used to print or display an empty string. Okay friends, so keep it in your mind. This is an important question, how to display an empty string. Okay, simply we can also take an empty string equal to double quotes. So I am going to display this empty string. See friends, got it? This is the way to print an empty string. Then the next one, what is the output format of split function? Python function we have seen about the splitter function. They are asking what is the output format of the splitter function. Okay, usually the splitter function is used to splits the given string into multiple parts. If the string if you are taking the 3 words into a single string, the splitter function used to splits the given string into multiple parts. Okay, let's see an example. I am taking the string equal to Python programming language. Python programming language. You want to split the string into multiple plots. I want Python as a separate string and programming as a separate string and language as a separate string. I want to split the single string into multiple parts and multiple string. I am going to use the splitter function. That is the use of splitter function. See, the single string has been divided into 3 parts. So it's the use of splitter function. So the answer is the output format of split function is the multiple string format. Okay, splitter function is used to split the single string into multiple parts. So the output format of splitter function is multiple strings. Okay, then the next one is how to check whether the given string is in lowercase or not. If you want to check the particular string in lowercase, we will use the is lower of function. Okay, use the is lower of function. I am taking the string as program or am. Okay, and I want to check the string in lowercase or not. St dot is lower of false, because the capital letters are taken inside the string, so it's false. If I am taking the string equal to string in complete lowercase only, Python st dot is lower of. Okay, so the complete string in uppercase, complete string in lowercase format only, so it displays the true. This is the way used to find out the given string in lowercase or uppercase. Okay, is lower of function. And the next one is how to find the index number of second occurrence of the O in Oracle developer. Okay, they have given the string as Oracle developer, and they are asked us to find out the second occurrence of the character O. Okay, let's go to check out this. The string is Oracle developer. Okay, it's the Oracle developer. The first occurrence of string is 0, and the second occurrence of string is at which index number the second O is placed. We want to find out this O's index position. So generally, how do we know about the index number of the character in this string, particular string? Usually we are using the find of function. Okay, so st dot find of character. Which character we want to find out the index number? O. So this gives the first occurrence of the O, first index number of the O. So this is placed in the 0th position, but we want to know about this O's index position. So st dot find of O. Then first O's index position is 0, so the next two O we have to calculate. So the first O's index position is 0, so next to 0 is 1. So from 1 onwards you have to check where the O is present. So it gives the 12. Okay, for the 12th position the O is second occurrence of O is present. Okay, let's we check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the space is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the answer is 12. The second occurrence of the O is 12. Okay, then the next one is, can we add the new string into the existing string? This could we add the new string into the existing string? This is the concept, this is the question. Okay, let's see it's possible or not. We can add it. We can add the existing string into to the new string. How it's possible? Let's see. Let's see, friends. Okay. By using concatenation. Concatenation means by adding the plus symbol, by adding the new string into the existing string, we can perform. Okay, we can add the new string to the existing string by using string concatenation. String concatenation. How do we perform the string concatenation? By using plus operator. Let's see. I am taking the string 1 equal to Python, and I want to add an existing string developer into and I want to add the new string developer into an existing string Python. How do we add it? By using concatenation. St equal to str1 plus developer. Okay, I'm going to display st. So Python developer. We can use the same string variable, here also. For the difference only I am taking st. We can use this str1 here also. Okay, that's no problem. So by using the plus operator, that means by using the concatenation, we can add a new string to an existing string. Okay. So how to display the given string in lowercase? Okay. How to display a given string in lower? By using lower function. Okay. St equal to taking the example as object, have taken the string in the combination of both lower and upper cases. Okay, I want to display the entire string in lowercase format, so I am applying the lower function, st dot lower. So all the characters are displayed in the lowercase format only. The capital uppercase O has converted into lowercase and uppercase C has converted into lowercase c. So this is the output. So the answer for this question is, to display the given string case lowercase, we should use the lower function. Okay. What is the next one is, what is the purpose of capitalize of function? Answer for this, the capitalize of function is used to convert the first letter of first word into uppercase. First letter of first word. If the capitalize is a string, by applying the capitalize of string, the C only will be changed into uppercase. That's the meaning of this, that's the use of this capitalize of function. Let's check this also. I'm taking the string as welcome to programming. I'm applying the capitalize of function, st dot capitalize. See, have taken all the characters into lowercase format, but the first letter of first word this is the first word, and the first word's first character only changed into uppercase. So that's the use of capitalize of function. The first letter of first word into the first word changed into uppercase. That's the use of capitalize of function. Okay. Then the next one is how to display the given string st python dev as python dev. So first see this example. See the string. P is in upper P and Y are in uppercase and D in uppercase, but the output will be B and Y in smaller case. The smaller case lower case characters are changed into uppercase and the uppercase characters are changed into lower case. So that's our lower case converted into uppercase and uppercase converted into lower case. By display the given string, we should use the swap case of function. Okay, let's check it. String 1 str1 equal to that string. Otherwise we will take this also. Okay, I am going to apply the swap case of function. See, the desired output has come. Okay, the py uppercase P and Y has changed into lower case and the lower case characters are changed into uppercase characters. So by using the swap case of functions, we can get the desired output. Okay, then the next one is string is mutable or immutable object? We see answer for this question is string is immutable object. Because we can't modify the existing string object. We can change the existing string values. Okay, for this this question is what's by concatenation. We can add the new string to the existing string, but we can't modify the existing string object. If the existing string is placed in the particular location, if we add the new string into that same location, but the location will be changed. We can't modify the existing string object. So the string is immutable object. If you want more clarity about this, you just go through my video once. Okay. Then how to display the given string in ascending order. Okay, this is one of the remaining three are most of the interview questions. Oftenly they are in interviews. Oftenly they are asking the questions related to this. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What's the one? How to display the given string in ascending order. Taking the string 1 equal to Java developer. Want to display the string in ascending order. Ascending means first A, B, C alphabetical order. I am going to apply str1 equal to empty string. After ascending the empty place, the character should be present. So I am taking the empty string, then join of sorted of function. Sorted of str1. Okay. See, all the characters are in the ascending format only. Okay, first A, D, E alphabetical order, all the string has come in the alphabetical orders. So this is the way, this is one of the important question. So this is the way used to display an string in alphabetical order. Okay. Then the next question is, the answer for this question is by using sorted off function. Sorted off. Then the next one is how to display the given string in descending order. Descending order means inverse to the alphabetical orders. Alphabetical order starts from A to Z, and the descending order means Z to A. So how to display the given string in descending order? Let's see. I am taking the same string. Here, okay. Previously we have seen how to display in ascending order, and here we will see how to display in descending format. str1 equal to an empty string to store the string after reversing the characters. Sorted means in ascending format. The sorted string should be reversed. Okay. Then this all the string will be displayed in a reversed format. That means the descending order. Okay. So reversed. See, all the characters are displayed in the descending format. It starts from Z to A. So after the from starts from Z, X, Y, like that. Okay. So V, P, L, O, J, E, D, A, E. So the string is displayed in the reverse format. Sorry, descending order format by using the reversed sort of function. Then the answer for this question is join of reversed of sorted of string. This method is used to reverse the given string. Then the next one is how to display the given string with do dots between each character. That means if the string is beautiful, but the user want to display the string in E, A, T, I, F, U, L. The user want to display the string in this format. Then how we display the string with two dots between each character? Let's see how to display it. st equal to, taking the st equal to beauty, the same string I have taken here, beauty, and I want to display the double dots annexed to B E A U T Y. And I'm going to apply ST equal to, within quotes we should take the double quotes, dot join of ST, then print ST. See, string, all the string in between all the characters the double dots has come. Okay, double dots, double dot, double dot. This is our reset string format. Okay, the final string format is here. We got our required format. So answer for this question is, within quotes should take the double quotes, dot join of ST. This function is used to add the two dots between each characters. Okay, that's all friends. Do you have any doubts in this video? Just leave your comment, and if you want more videos like this, just leave a comment. These are all the important interview questions. Before move on to the interviews, just go through it once, and if you want more interview videos like this, just leave your comment on the comment box. Then share this video to all your friends, those who are looking for IT jobs or Python related jobs. It may be helpful for their life. Okay friends, thank you. If you like this video, just hit the like button and share your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot.